Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix the issue where the Windows Security Center service can't be started. Let's go start. Press the Windows key and type in the Registry Editor, and click on Registry Editor into the search bar. Then click on HKEY Local Machine. Then click on System. Then click on CurrentControlSet. Then click on Services. Scroll down. Find the wscsvc. Right-click on Start, and go to Modify, and set the value to, then click OK. Close the window. Restart your computer. Press the Windows key, search for Services, and click the top result to open the console. Scroll down. Locate Security Center in the list of services. Right-click, select Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic, Delayed Start. Click Start. Then apply and OK. Close. Search for Command Prompt, right-click the top result, and select the Run as Administrator option. Type the following command here. It has already been added to the video description box. Copy. Right-click on it, go to Edit, and select Paste from the options. Wait for System Scan. This process will take some time. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Copy the second command again. Then paste here. Then press Enter on the keyboard. Please wait for some time for the process to complete. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow, and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video. The operation completed successfully. Again, restart your computer.